You got this, Jenny.
Yep. And then when you get closer, we'll load the approach.
You could even load the approach now. So sync the heading bug, or square the heading bug. Go to heading mode. Good. Now, whatever you do with the GPS, the plane won't run away from you. It's on heading.
Got it. I was wondering about
now,
that.
procedures.
Procedures.
Select approach. ILS 29 or RNAV.
Yep. Would it be possible to get 6,500
Vectors.
for the call
Activate.
camera?
So now you'll see it show up here.
And then we can hit nav and it'll come on.
Correct. It will intercept it.
Intercept it.
Yeah, but you see in heading mode, it's not running away from you.
Alright.
So if you ever need to fiddle with the GPS, park the plane in heading mode. Fiddle with the GPS. Then if you wish to, go back to GPS. Make sense? Good work.
Ground southwest 4652, past the 6.8 distance.
Heading mode is powerful in these situations.